Hey everyone, this is Serge with your Microcontroller Minutes. This is part 5 of the KEYESTUDIO 37-in-1 sensor kit, the tiltSwitchModule. I'll use the Fritzing software to show you how to connect everything, so here's what you'll need. An Arduino microcontroller, preferably the UNO version or similar, a 400 tie point breadboard, a USB cable, the tiltSwitchModule and RGB LED module from the 37-in-1 sensor kit, and 4 to 12 jumper wires. For this demonstration, we'll use the RGB LED module as an indicator to let us know when the tilt switch module has been activated. Place the tilt switch module on the breadboard towards the middle and the RGB LED module towards the top. For the tilt switch module, connect the S pin to digital pin 8, connect the middle pin to 5 volts, connect the minus labeled pin to ground. For the RGB LED module, connect the B pin to digital pin 13, then connect the minus pin to ground. Now here is what it looks like in the real world. Grab the USB cable, connect it to the Arduino, and then connect to your computer. We'll use the Arduino IDE software for programming the Arduino UNO. So, open the IDE, go to Tools, then Boards, then Arduino AVR boards, and select the Arduino UNO. Then go to Tools again, go to Port, then select the serial port where your Arduino is connected. Upload the following 16 lines of code. And now, your RGB LED module should turn on and off whenever the tilt switch is tilted by an external motion. Try modifying the code. Change the if statement condition for outcome to not equals and see what happens. Once you get the hang of it, come back and join us for the next module.